Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is going to be the Minnie Mouse cupcake bow kit from Faux leather. These are the pieces. It also came with some rhinestones. The supplies you are going to need for this bow: you are going to need your scissors, of course. An orange stick would not hurt. You're going to need your glue gun. You are going to need your adhesive of choice if you're going to be adding the rhinestones to the bow, and you are going to need a rhinestone picker as well. These are the pieces laid out, and as always we are going to start with attaching the clip to the bottom and adding the little center wrap in as well. According to the picture, the curved parts of here is where those rhinestones are supposed to go, as well as on the ears of the Minnie Mouse cupcake. I'm not sure I'm going to add the rhinestones though. That will be a choice I make later on down the road, and if I do end up adding them, I will leave a picture at the end of this video, and it'll be the thumbnail as well. So once that is firmly attached, you're going to take your center wrap and attach that to the inside of the clip. And you're going to press down and make sure that it does adhere. Alright, we're going to put that piece off to the side. We're going to start on the top loop. Doesn't really matter what side you start with. Just bring the tabs to the center and glue them. Sorry if you can hear my cats in the background. They're being really rude today. Not sure why. They're staying out of my craft room, which is a great idea. But they're being very rude noise-wise today. So if you can hear them, I apologize. Please just try to ignore it. Alright. So that top loop is put together, and we are going to take care of this very strange center. And you are going to align the curve right there. And we're going to attach all of the outside pieces before we work on attaching the center pieces. Just little dots of glue. You don't want to put too much because of how small that point is. It's a very small space in which you're gluing, so you don't want to put too much glue on there. Alright, that part is done. Now we're going to attach these two pieces. Add to that center, and we are going to line them up. This is how it looks in the picture, so I'm going with that. In the picture, these center loops stick out just a little bit further than the side ones. All right, that is how that piece is supposed to look like according to the picture. And now it is time to add everything. I really like this red with white polka dot glitter canvas. I'm going to see if I can find that on my own because that is a really cool print and I am looking forward to making more bows with that. Add a little dab there in the center for Minnie and Mickey. That is a really cute print, by the way. I love that. And we're going to wrap the center and just glue right on the inside. Alright, that is the bow. Now if you do add the rhinestones, all you're going to do is put a very small line of glue there and use your rhinestone picker, and much like we do with the bottle caps, it's just a gentle placing. So just remember to go slow, little bits of glue, don't overwhelm it. Now this bow would look fine by itself, but because we have the center and it's an adorable center, we're going to use it. We're going to add the embellishment to the center and push down. And it's slightly crooked. There we go. We'll hold it down. Alright, there we go, guys. This is the finished bow. If you like this video, please click the like button down below. If you think somebody would be interested in this, please click the share button. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, please click the subscribe button. It's somewhere around there. Right next to it is a bell button. If you click that and you click all, you will be setting your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And that did not stick. That's fun. Let's try that again. We're going to do a little bit something tricky here. We are going to add a dot of E6000. And right above that, we are going to add a dot of hot glue. I normally don't do this, but it should help with the adhesion. All right, so while I hold this, if you have any questions, comments, or video suggestions, please leave those down below in the description box. Make sure to check our Instagram channel out where I will be previewing everything I am working on. Thank you guys for watching. I have more bow kits and more bows to use with the Faux leather supply haul that I got. Please stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again later. Bye!